pre-made. You can order it online. Many people have them. You just have to find which one can send it to you. And first of all, you trim all those little edges. Let me show you one before. See here, you have all these rough edges that are pointy and some that are rough. Instead, you want to trim all of these edges to make them smoother, so that when the thread goes on them, that actually will be forming a little round edge, soft, just like if it was a soft blanket. Next, you want to find leaf and fall patterns. I have one from a book that I like very much, that I had actually gotten from someone. It is called 101 Quick Gifts in Plastic Canvas. Okay, you might have to order it online if you don't have the pattern, or use one of your leaf patterns for many leaves, acorns, such things, and you use that on big square plastic canvas pieces. And I usually like to use brown and orange and red, as with a little bit of green and yellow for my patterns instead of just the color list that they have for them. Thirdly, you want to get mostly 7 mesh, okay? And then you count out the squares of how many across and how many down you will need to cut out the pattern. When cutting the dimensions of your first pattern, you look at how many it says. It says 29 by 29. You cut right outside of that 29th square down and across. That way you don't have a pattern that's misshapen or miscounted. Another quick hint is, see how I did this number 7? That's how many squares over from the edge you need to go for the bottom half. You count up as you cut your plastic canvas from the bottom up. After you count over that many squares in from the side part of the square. And after you do that, you will start cutting as it shows in the diagram of how many. You count each square that you must cut, each space.